Everyone is talking about AI tools, but the real shift happening in 2026 is AI agents. Not chatbots, not simple prompts. AI agents. In this video, I'll break down what AI agents really are, why companies in the US, UK, and Canada are rushing to use them, and how you, even as a beginner, can build simple AI agents that can automate work or even generate income. What is an AI agent? An AI agent is different from ChatGPT. ChatGPT responds when you ask something. An AI agent can think through steps, make decisions, use tools, take actions automatically. For example, an AI agent can monitor job boards, collect new listings, summarize them, email you daily, without you asking every time. That's why businesses love them. AI agent equals acts. In 2025 and now 2026, search interest for AI agents has exploded. Startups are building agent tools. No-code platforms are adding automation layers. Freelancers are offering AI automation services. Why? Because companies want to reduce repetitive tasks. Customer support, research, content repurposing, lead generation. And instead of hiring more staff, they are building AI agents. Agents equals smart automation. You don't need to code. Here's a simple beginner stack. Step 1. Use ChatGPT or Claude for reasoning. Step 2. Connect automation tools like Zapier or Make. Step 3. Trigger actions like sending emails, saving to Google Sheets, posting to social media. Example beginner agent. When a new trending AI article appears, summarize it and post a LinkedIn thread. That's an AI content agent. Here are 3 practical ideas. Real estate lead agent. Monitor property sites, collect new listings, summarize, send to clients. E-commerce review agent. Scan product, reviews, right arrow, detect negative sentiment, alert business owner. Local business content agent. Generate weekly social posts for small UK, US businesses automatically. Freelancers are charging between $300 $1,500 per setup. AI agents are not hype. They are the next evolution of automation. If you understand this early, you position yourself ahead of 90% of people. If you want, in my next video I can show you step by step how to build your first AI agent live. Don't forget to subscribe to Code to Concept. Thank you for watching.